But see, this a man here snow like them a sign in mahogany wood. And he can't even make a woman feel good when night come. Pants. Pants. Pants.
Me a pen man last song. Me a pen man last song this one. Ready boss this one. Lady, come here this one now. We pass to all of a me a pen man last song and me a pen man last song this one go. Hey lady, come to this bus. This one around 6, we let one around 4 that now reach. Hey Diego, am I passing that? Give me the lady bag, man. Diego, I'm here to do it, sir. You want me to stop?
Pants, pants. Wake up, no man, wake up.
Breakfast ready yet?
No man yet, they no light yet.
So where you waiting, man, for?
I can't sleep, you snore too much.
You think it's a blasted amplifier where you can turn up and turn down? Turn it down now.
What pants?
You don't know where you put that go and sleep. Shit! You blasted, yeah. Fucking, Mr. No, wait me up and let's pot a bubble on the stove. Sure, you see, man, see if I just can't mess up with that.
You saw him turn though. Look like me have to go find our next man. Last night you load me the van and you sleep, now you play karate. Sure. It's alright, you keep your bed.
Yeah, oh God. Oh, I'll say that, huh? Oh God. Hey, Punky, make a little early piece, huh?
Let me go about early peas. Last night me in bed and me a dead for early peas. I know you can't chat about early peas. Let me go, yeah.
All right. You go on. You wait until I come. Hey. You wait until I come and be alive in this bed, yeah? You can't believe it's earthquake. As a matter of fact, you don't know which part of water a pumpkin body. But which part of water come back out? It has skin.
Yeah. You know you do. Say your prayers and get up out of the bed.
Pumpkin body come at town, you don't bless church though, yeah. So now you're going to take about prayers. Yes, Rasta. Thank God I never wake up and find myself dead. Breakfast.
Hans, nobody come in the kitchen with that damn braggy mouth.
Pumpkin, you wash your face?
Of course, and that's my face wash. It looks like a wash.
You would like to see that the face when it's dirty? You hear me, Pumpkin? Enough bread, enough egg, enough tea here.
Enough money too.
You have enough chat. Breakfast ready?
Punch me a come.
Pumpkin.
Yeah.
I realize the morning time you buck and shuffle when time the food prepare now. But let me tell you something. I will lay down a new rule inside there. And you see any rule that me lay down is law with immediate effect. Now be it resolved that any woman who comes inside here to live with me shall wake up 1 hour before me and prepare my breakfast. Okay.
Yeah.
You couldn't carry 2 of them come one time. You couldn't balance the tea on the left and the food on the right. It's a balance there. Look, walk to the tea. Where the tea?
Punch.
That's better. Pumpkin, come on. Come on, Pumpkin. What is it for me, Tina?
You don't want clean cup.
What I want to blast it clean cup? This one little baby cup, you put a big man, Tina.
Them pants like name teacup.
Teacup for you. But no teacup for me.
So me I'll give you tea
Me don't
now.
want a tea now. Come like you know, so they make the continent come out the time. Come out of here. Let me tell you something. You see, as of tomorrow morning, make sure that you share out my tea. You share it out in a dog.
You know, it's a big container, want big money.
So me a work for.
It worry.
She died now. She dead now. Come on, Pumpkin. You mean you come to hot sugar water give me for tea?
Pants, milk expensive, you know.
What about milk? No country you come from? You plant cow?
No, Pants.
Pumpkin. What kind of tree that they want at the back of the house?
Breadfruit tree.
So you couldn't pop 2 pieces of breadfruit leaves to flavor the tea?
Alright, Pants. Tomorrow morning, make you breadfruit leaf tea.
You go on. You riding for your fall, you know. Yeah, you mean? I have a shirt for me.
Which one you want? The polka dot one?
I want polka dot to face in my face. Pumpkin, I cannot wear polka dot shirt on West Street. Down on West Street, Pumpkin, I am a very big dog. Down on West Street, Pumpkin, and try not to forget this. I am the Chief Executive Office. No more executive post down there, so I have to look executive. I am the white shirt. So, I don't know one time I took up them the trash road. He says, woman, them have a yard.
You must think, say, me I go use all the energy. Iron, no shot, please. Me nah, iron, no shot. I have to ask people about if they plant cow. Like, me never plant no cow yet. About plant cow.
Pumpkin!
Yes, Pants.
You know, Pumpkin? You have to make some adjustment to the kind of life we are living on. You understand me?
Yes, Pants.
This life we are living, Pumpkin, not good.
No like it nothing either.
We live in a life of Puss and Dog, Tom and Jerry, cartoon. Pumpkin, we're supposed to live loving. Loving in such a way that when you come up after lunchtime and meet all out of the gate, me stay way up there and say, Pumpkin! What you say?
Pants!
That's better. Pumpkin,
Pants.
me take you from country now. When time you come here, you don't know nothing. First day I come to town. You understand me?
Pants.
You long to go back?
No, Pants.
Eh?
No, Pants.
Me would like this when you long to go back. Because the way you go and come like say you come from country about 40 years now. You want to sit up, sit up?
Look over there, so.
And the same thing I talk about no Pumpkin. You can't talk to me like me a hog. You have any sweet up, sweet up?
Pants. Look over there, so.
That's better. What?
Lipstick everybody, y'all.
Pumpkin. Me not tell you so you have to put it there.
Me lipstick on me
If
lip.
they can't use the Pumpkin, not put it there. Don't put it there. You kind of mad. You hear me, man? Wait, you go burn up the shot.
You go burn the sheet.
You go on. Okay.
Pants.
When time we come back at the see?
Yes, Pants.
Don't make me have even think say the food ready. The kitchen must run like fast food. 24/7. I want to run the kitchen like Uncle Sam up Harvey Tree or Kentucky down a crossroad. Pumpkin. Where are this at home? Where are this at home? You hear me? Go on, house, please. See?
Pants.
Yeah.
You can ask you something?
Talk fast.
Um.
Yes, look off some. When time you come back, you ask.
Pants. You sick?
I mean sick.
If you're sick, you can't go to doctor, you know.
What that for?
Pants, lucky don't know me, no want nobody hear me talk to you about.
Let me tell you something. Me a parent for you, so. Me not afraid of no guy. Me talk anything more and talk inside of so. Because it's me. Big Pants a parent for you, so. You understand me?
Pants, one man this pass get there while ago. Me no want nobody hear you. Lucky
Up the place, man. Let's talk. Me afraid of nobody. Talk where you talk fast, man.
Alright. Did I night to see Pants? When it rain and fall out in my bed, feel for something, and me I rub you down, Pants. And you see which part me, when me reach right a little part and me touch you something, it's soft.
Where you talk about the pumpkin?
Pants.
Mama, something soft. I mean, something soft.
Pants.
So what you made it?
Pants. And don't lie me I tell you now. Pants. If I lie me I tell me dead right here, so. You see two we start, we better think a piece of sponge in there.
You hear me? We are called sponge pumpkin. It's my thing that called sponge. So we make them boy out the road here, what you call the sponge.
Sponge. Sponge.
You see me talk about? Pumpkin, I got You hear me, man? Pumpkin, me tell you something. Me want, you know. Make so many years of that again. Every morning, me get up at 5 o'clock while West Street go work. Right? And every day, I carry passenger from one place to the other, and from the other to one place.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. What you want me to do? Hot clock myself for West Street at daytime and then we come in at night time, go hot clock myself for you? Eh? You pay me for work?
No.
You not pay me?
No problem.
Well, don't complain. You hear me? Go on.
Watch him now. And the only thing where my big pan in my pants and him out. About him 1 mile. You think say me I go fatten him? You think say me? You know, really give him for me Milo. And you know, how no used to me when night come. Granny, you can't just come in here also, just because pants are there. You can't just walk in a pants also.
Tan, is who for house? I feel house or is my house? Eh? Pants on go renty, but I'm me who own it.
But Granny, not because you can't just come in so.
But Tan, is who the house or is my house?
But you can't just barge in so. Pants ain't tell you to come up here.
Stop your foolishness, child. Imagine, me a come from down a shop, and people take me, and me come up here come borrow your bathroom, and I hit your galang house up, eh? Your piece of bathroom.
Oh, Granny, but you're not easy. You're not afraid Auntie Little Law take you.
Damn right. Damn right. Child, me no mean to be fast, you know. But from the other day, me I watch your love life. And me no like how it a go. No, sir. You see him one tell me say pants not treat you right. Right? Well, listen to me, child. If a man around, fire him backside. Me love man, yes. Yes, man. Me love enough man. But if them not go on with nothing, what you want me to do? Me tell you same thing. Me didn't marry, you know.
You married Granny?
Yes, man. And the man never that treat me good. And me left him. And quick time me find a man. Yes, sir. And the man that treat me so good. You know, see him a look after me.
Yes.
Look how me trash.
Yes, I'm good to you.
Yes. May I tell you, man. Then tap a story give you.
Yes, go
The
ahead.
other day, me and the man have a movie. Buck up on the old husband him. Hear him to me now. Lad, you look good. Come back up a house now. Me just run him. I say move in front of me and take past him. I say you boy. You know hear what the man from the radio sing say. Mag up on you one time, man. Cause him can't take back when they done to you.
That's true, Granny.
Yes, man. So listen to me. Don't stand in here and play no fool. Come on, left him if him not treat you right.
Yes, Granny.
Girl, thank you for the bathroom. I'll see you.
Granny, I can't beg you one advice. I want a little boy there, see? And him like me. I will like him back too.
Mm-hmm.
But you don't know, everybody up there is somebody.
Well, so what is wrong with that? Take a girl, man, who you know respond. You look good, child. Carry on. I'll see you. Take care.
All right, Granny. Oh, God. She not easy. She not easy at all. Remember me meet pants and all. Pants would give me first time a bag juice. I know somebody love pants. How did this meet me? Boy, I see pants. Oh God. And pants see me a country and pants say, hey girl, come here! How many this road go to him? Oh God.
Who do you expect? Donald, of course.
Donald? Donald? Donald, may I come? Donald, don't move. Donald, may I come here? Donald, I'm coming. Don't move from right there. Donald, may I come?
Just keep me waiting, honey.
Donald, may I come? You hear? Donald, may I come? Oh, God.
Oh, baby. Oh, gosh, you look so sweet, baby. Look at you.
Donald, sit down now. You want something for drink?
Let me have some Wall Schmidt vodka.
All right. Donald, you can't give you shit for drink.
You know what? Anything you have, just give it to me.
All right.
Pumpkin, what is this?
I like a drink some mix with pants.
All right, you know what? Let Pants drink his drink.
Okay.
Yes, come, baby. Oh, darling. You know I have great news, baby.
Yeah?
Yes, man. You don't notice?
Yeah, Donald, you don't
God.
cry.
I got a slight promotion the other day.
Yeah?
Oh, gee. I even went to Miami.
You go Miami?
Oh, Miami's beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm not playing, you don't care about nothing for me.
Of course, baby. I have the bar down the house.
Yeah?
Of course. Don't worry yourself, sweetie.
Alright.
And next time I go in, I'll take you.
You care me, Donald?
Of course.
You care me, Miami with you?
Oh, yeah.
Donald, you care me, Miami with you?
Yeah. So, don't feel too upset, darling.
Yeah.
Tell me something. I feel uncomfortable. Where's Pants?
Him now come up here. Him gone to West Street.
You sure I'm not coming?
Sure, sure, sure.
I mean, baby.
No.
What, baby?
Who that? Hans. Jesus Christ. Well, I can't fix this here.
Get me a screwdriver.
Screwdriver?
Yes.
Screwdriver. This is just.
Miss Funky? Miss Funky, ma'am? Wait. I fool you, Miss Funky. I pass, I'm just a check say if my big pants up here, you know?
You know there, you see, so you can't go on now.
How that?
It's the serviceman.
Serviceman?
Yes, it fix radio and TV.
Oh, watch him now, watch him.
Pumpkin,
Yes?
come here. You know something is wrong with this carburetor.
Yeah.
And if you look closely, you can see that the piston is too dirty.
You get through door.
Of course.
Alright. When you not say no, Andy?
Hello, sir, you can't fix my TV,
No, you're not going to fix it. Only my one you can fix.
You have to rent a PC, who piss yourself?
You don't know say dog when piss dirty, you know.
So you call my big pants dog?
You see his pants come back and say you call him dog.
Well, watch him now. Watch him.
Andy, move for yourself.
Alright.
Sure. Me don't like him, you know. Can't take him.
Pumpkin, who was that?
Our boy from up the road, him name Andy, a pants friend.
I don't understand. You know I almost leave.
Donald, you can't leave. Donald, I know me fault. Donald, no go and let me.
Okay, baby. I just can't get upset with you, darling.
Donald.
Yes, darling. You sure pants not coming up here?
Come. Oh, God.
Come here, baby. Let me show you something. Yes, okay. Because I need to take you out one of these nights.
You carry me out, Donald?
Of course.
You carry me to a club?
Yes, darling.
Donald. Rotted. After lunchtime, I'm going to soon come film lunch. Jesus Christ. I don't know they have to cook. You can give me spoon to put in the hell today where I was street. How that? Come now. Officer is a blasted handicap like you. Where you want?
How you call handicap? My big pants give me the material I forgive you, ma'am.
What is?
Cheap on the rice and cheap on the chicken back. And he said he had it up fast, ma'am.
What's that you're going to the kitchen?
He said he give me $20, ma'am.
Me no have no money.
But we want some of the lunch then.
So you go with it?
Yeah, me wait.
So which part pants?
Oh, pants?
Yeah.
Oh, pants. Me let him know the road I was in the only girl I had.
What is that?
In the only girl I had.
Who wants to call yellow yard?
You.
Knock your hood blast off of me bed.
Are you man? Are you only the girl I had to chew? And I'm to say no. I'm a big panty so. I see now a big crowd of people. I'm Miss Pumpkin, ma'am. No call me cripple. Tell you the God Almighty truth, me not like it. So make you be the first and the last you call me so.
You see, if me never hungry. If me never hungry now, we cook a damn in ya.
Back up, man, back up. I'm hungry. After ready, me lunch happy, hot and ready. After ready, me lunch happy, hot and ready. Hot it happy, hot. Pumpkin, wait a minute.
Him the much long come.
You tell Pumpkin, I'm boy.
Yes, sir. But she not have no money. Hey, me say, mother just jam off and wait to look a bit of your food, sir.
Jam off and wait for some of my food.
Look a bit, sir.
But you're rude.
But my
Leave your come on.
I say, I'm going to you. What you do? You want me to kick up?
Pumpkin, them something. This crowd you bring up on the 2 gonna rise.
Crowd, how you down West Street come style as Gala Yard?
Gal, you know why? Anyway, Pumpkin, you are. West Street around away now. Passing down around again. This is our first time. Passing this one like crab. Nowadays, since the new car business are going and all the old car thing them too, from Japan, everybody I drive. No passenger now around again. Those 3,000 mash me make for morning. Leave some of the bank manager. Pumpkin, and you in a car the other day say you want some money to buy some cosmetics and all them things, clothes and so forth. Eh?
Yes, Pants.
You're there today. Big things are going for all it.
Pants. $100. $100 pants. Me can't. Pants, I feel like I'm from country. I'm there, I'm there wash, I'm there cook, I'm there clean, I'm there do everything. Pants, $100.
Pumpkin! Pants!
Yes,
Tell me something. How much a week you can come inside?
Can't none pants.
You pay government tax?
No.
You name the penny by the payroll?
No.
How much we get a while ago?
$100.
How much this?
$50. Thank you, Pants.
That's better. Run the food fast. I'm gonna tell you something, Pumpkin. You said you come to lunchtime. Me don't want to see no crowd in my house. Especially that time. Because I don't want my food share.
Yes,
Plus more time I have other operation to carry out. See me?
Yes,
See, I'm blind, ear and deaf.
Pants.
Yeah.
Where you get that bag there from?
You see me back?
Pants in there,
You see me back?
No pants, you don't got no bag, you don't got no bag.
After me load a boy, I boy come back like some no give me some just hold him collateral. See me? Run the
Pants,
food.
just that to take with the boy bag for?
You said you see me back?
You don't got no bag.
Run the food.
Yo, Pops!
Who that?
Yo, Pops!
You say who that?
I just want like you want to take the passenger them bag and go and sign up.
You hear me? Leave from my door, man.
Alright, me now leave until me get the bag safe.
Me say leave from my door before you go look pay down a sandy gully.
Hey, Pops, hey, me don't want, hey, man, you get me vexed and perplex, me flex. Alright, man, you doing the pants.
You go and talk. You go and talk until I cement and block you up 6'6".
Alright, alright. Alright.
Pants for free.
Hold on, man, listen, motherfucker. Come on,
Pants
for
for free.
me. Give me the thing, give me the thing.
Pants.
Give me the thing fast.
Pants.
You run. You shouldn't run.
Pants, he gone?
Run my food, see? I'm not afraid of Mr. Run the food.
No, tell you me, I go back to country.
I'm afraid of no guy. Be a problem after that. Be a problem. Run the food fast.
Come back in.
That man stick pants.
Say my big pants or what?
Man stick pants.
Yeah.
Blacks for a ranking cabbage down the road and fight, sir. Then just do a 3 minivan and them under survive, sir.
You serious?
Run one.
Punky, no problem to my mind. Mr. My money that I don't buy your skin kid with it.
Miss Funky. Miss Funky. Shh. Oh, Shiro, it's food.
My God! Pants! You make pants grand and pants not get in food.
Funky.
Pants I want you. The boy shut you back, pants?
What on one?
He shut you pants?
Pumpkin, me I want them, me shall go every food. I tell you what, Pumpkin. Put on the pot on the 2 burner. You have to put it down on the 2 burner. Turn up the fire like a throw some water in it. Cook it right and just put some butter in it and make it move fast.
What man stick pants? I try the lamb one. I try the lamb bus then just unload it, sir.
The Volvo?
The lamb one, them, sir.
The Volvo, the article?
Yes.
You serious?
No, and then collect $500 bill. You see them boy a share up.
Pumpkin.
One man stick
My income that. Mr. My income that.
What share up the blasting food?
Handicap, my food you want me to left in your backside. Move it, man.
Sure. I'm supposed to lick him down on West Street now. I wonder where I put the bank book. Anything can happen to you, me now. And if anything happen to you, all the bank book me I forget. I wonder where I put it. Tanala.
Hi, baby. Don't worry yourself, man. I just passed pants and the handicap boy moving like lightning. What is what happened?
Them have dispute down West Street, so I'm gone down there.
Alright, baby. I come to give you a message. Because I don't come to stay long.
Tanala.
Hear me. I am going to get a message to you today. Telling you that your mother needs you now. You see, pants is here. All you do, you just show him the telegram and then you come to mother's gate.
No, that is that. No, sir, no.
Don't
sir,
worry
no,
yourself.
No, sir, no, sir. But me want pants kill, no, sir. Me like that.
Punky,
No, sir.
I have everything under control, man. You and I both know the difficulties we face. Pants can catch us anytime, so I know that this plan will work. What do you think?
Boy, murder!
Jesus Christ, if him see him, I'm gonna tell pants. Donald. Come.
Let him in.
Let him in.
Let him in.
What?
When him come in, don't make him look back.
Why? Come to you, Andy. Come to you. Come to you. Start the boy.
They kill my big pants.
Kill his man. My boss.
Yes.
My boss.
Why? They kill him, man.
My boss.
Yes.
So which part is there?
Me left him back home, but me run cut the first one.
Alright. What, Monday?
Me left him back home.
Yeah?
Him back home.
A big fight they have?
Yes. Pick up a place.
Jesus Christ. Andy, help me with the bed. We can't friend of mine come up here with him.
What? Sure.
In Jesus' name, let's be.
Hi!
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Come on.
Pumpkin.
Andy, come help me with him now.
Pumpkin.
Andy, help me with him now.
You never want to be in a night phone, you know?
Pumpkin.
Take time with him now, Andy.
Time with me, Pumpkin, please. Oh, God.
Hush, pants.
Boy, nearly kill me.
Hush, pants, then lick your pants. Hush, pants, then lick your.
Oh, no, talk me, that's Pumpkin.
Jesus Christ, your life hard, sir. Then pants. If this name no use for a man, then lick your panty. And no regret. Alright. Now give you some sweet sugar and water here.
Oh, God. Pumpkin.
Eh?
A piece of bread.
You better not have no respect for your health.
Oh, God.
Andy,
Yeah?
where the door while I go?
Nothing.
You going to pants pocket?
No, me.
Out.
No.
Out. Andy, out.
Pumpkin.
Andy, out! Come here. This way you go down the road. Don't tell nobody what happened to Pants. You hear?
Me? Me not going to tell her what they said. They nearly kill my speak fast.
Pants, come.
Put it on the bottle for me now, Pumpkin.
Stop your foolishness, come. What up here then?
Okay, if you take care of me, you know.
Come.
Hold on. Hold on, Pumpkin, me feel bad. Hold on.
Pants, come now.
Me feel bad.
Then drink it now. This I got help you now. Come on, Pants.
Hold on,
Pants, drink this something now. Pants. Eh? Pants. Pants.
Okay.
Lord Jesus. Pants. The body on the floor. Jesus, Pants. Pants. Come. Jesus, how we know you smell so? When last you got bathroom, Pants?
Oh, God.
Christ.
Hold on. Pumpkin, take care of me here.
Pants. Pants. What we are going to do now?
We don't.
The gas soon done. You rent up here. And light bill soon come. What we are going to do now, Pants?
Me no business with the light bill and the rent, but make sure the gas not done.
Pants.
The Lord will provide, Pumpkin. You know yourself, the Lord will provide. Alright? Oh gosh, Pumpkin. You know the rent lady come, Pumpkin, you make sure they tell us if it's sick or something.
So the rent lady that had nobody.
Me down the hospital, is it?
Yeah. Alright.
Me the pass here line.
Alright. You said me tell us that.
Miss Pumpkin, you couldn't tell me excuse a while ago, ma'am.
That's the thing about you too damn fast. I'd rather fast in people business.
Hey, Miss Pumpkin, a telegram man give me this video, ma'am.
Telegram?
Yes, ma'am, one black man and he's stout. Oh, hi!
Pants. Telegram. Let me see. Pants, and Mama, I come from.
Send it back, Pumpkin, send it back. Me can't put for my guy, woman. Send it back.
Pants, I
Send
don't
it
want
back,
what she
Pumpkin.
want. Pants, let me read it. Come quick now.
And eat what?
Andy. Oh.
Hi!
Oh. Pants, sit here now. Come quick now. Matter urgent. Jesus Christ. Pants, look like some mama well sick. Me have to go down there.
You don't tell me more urgent than me, Pumpkin.
But Pants, I'm my mother, you know.
Pumpkin, I'm here you there, you know. I'm me you there with.
Pants.
You can't go down there at all.
Mama sick, you know. And Pants, remember say things where mama can't give me, you not give me. Although some of the things that my mother can't give me wish you would have give me. Pants, me I go down there, yeah? Now get ready. Yeah, Pants?
Hold on, Pumpkin. I think I have to go down there. Carry the food, come here.
I want it. I can't take it. Everything a food. I love some food, so Pants. I want to use that Donald. I mean, Pants?
No. Pumpkin,
Yes, Pants?
you see me feel my dog?
No, Pants.
So come here, call me Donald.
Sleep, me must sleep.
Sleep your mouth, sleep. The next time you sleep, you go and slide.
Pants. Pants.
Don't stay long on the Pumpkin.
No, Pants.
I don't want to fuck Pumpkin. You see as soon as you reach down the Pumpkin?
Yes.
Take a bus and come back.
Alright, here, Pants.
Pumpkin,
Yeah?
give me the food.
What's the what is you sick? You done there farm. You're not sick. Where do you look about it? We plan here?
Pumpkin,
Yeah.
bring back something nice for me here.
Like what's up?
I can't use that Pumpkin.
What?
What's that cheese? I want bun.
Bun, Pants? Bun?
Yeah.
Alright, I get care bun for you here, Pants. You're going to get the bun. Alright.
Oh, come, Pumpkin. Pumpkin, come. Oh, God. Oh.
I'm not Pumpkin, sir. I'm Andy.
I know. All right.
So I got my speak, right?
Man, I'm glad you come.
You glad? Me glad too.
Here, Mandy. I want You go buy a bed for me, you see?
A bed?
Yeah, I want to go buy 2 hours.
Okay.
Look over there, see. Alright, doesn't matter. You have pen, boy?
But me remember, sir.
You remember?
Yes.
You're not going to remember, Mr. Boy.
Mr. Martin Pan tell me something, man. Me remember.
Alright, me tell you something, man. Don't forget, you know.
Uh-huh.
I want you to carry this go down the betting shop, you see? That.
Yes.
Can I go down the betting shop, you see?
Yes.
And I want you to buy horse number 3, fan 2, and 2, fan 3.
Oh, 3, fan 2.
Yeah.
Fan 2, fan 3.
Right.
All right.
Let me check the money again, come.
Okay.
Where money?
Are they all like that, sir?
Handy.
Yes.
Give me balance some money.
Man, because I told that they dropping in my pocket, man, big pass. Why?
You know, say the blasted thief?
Not yet, sir, not yet.
Alright, tell you what, though. See here, 1,300. Can I go get the chicken at the betting shop?
Chicken I sell last now, sir?
You blasted idiot. The lady inside of the shop with the heavy bumper.
Oh, so you know, start what you mean. You start what you mean.
Alright, go on with that now and come back fast. Come back right away.
No, me not gonna come back right away. Because me have a telegram for give my scale of wife.
Hold on. Handy, let me talk to you. Carry this money, I'll go get the chicken at the betting shop and come back here right away. Okay? And I want you to follow my instruction carefully. Carry this, get the chicken at the betting shop. Tell her I see you want horse number 2, fan 3, and 3, fan 2.
Yeah.
Alright? Then you collect the voucher. Carry the telegram, go give my scale, the boy collect the telegram fee, and then you reach back here. What is the first thing you're going to when you leave here?
Reach back here, sir. My big pants, me about, sir.
Look how long you said you go buy the bed boy and just come back.
I know me right the house, sir. Yeah.
You want to take some of us head, man?
Alright, take it easy, my big pants.
Tell me something, you can cook?
Cook? Yes, sir.
Alright, tell you what, looking at the fridge, this is that cabbage.
I know you talk my big pants.
I want to steam it so that we can get it up with bread.
Yes,
Salad pot. And then you cook it always, I forget to put salt in the pot.
What is the salad? Alright.
Make sure you run the pot fast because I don't want when that pumpkin come there so she realize nothing to cook.
My big pants.
Yeah.
Me salted, sir.
Give me the voucher.
The voucher. The voucher. Me give you the voucher inside there, sir.
And give me the voucher.
My big pants.
You want dead, boy?
No, sir.
You want dead? Make sure I find the voucher by the time you set up myself and ready to move.
But my big pants not tell a lie, promise, sir. Me give you inside there, sir. Me give you inside there, sir, now. Oh, you're funny. Let me not tell you something. Me didn't kill, man. Why?
3 from 2 and 2 from 3. Run the pot fast, boy. Run the pot.
Yes, fast, be fast.
Pants!
You are knocking?
Yeah.
You know what you have to do?
Pants!
You don't know what you have to do?
Pants, what we do right now?
Hide the pot, Handy. Hide the glass. Let me go to...
Pants! Away me, Dad.
Fast, be fast. Yeah, I did, sir.
What we do? Me on the backside when she come inside here.
Sure! Look how long me out there and it's thrown in there. Look how long. How that must have you in there too?
You come in here with enough chat. Look how long you got on your mother, you just come back. Let me tell you something. Go back with where you come from.
Go back. Go back.
Me say go back with where you come from.
Pants are down, but me not...
Me no business with that. I said go back where you coming from.
Miss Banking, it's a peaceful life, ma'am. Leave.
You think me a big head bud?
See, yes, sir. Just stand up there.
Dust her out.
You know, come on.
Pants! Pants are down and mama may I come from, you know. Pants! And mama all said, sit here, mama send this to you.
I don't want nothing from your mother.
Sir.
Sit here.
I say I don't want nothing from your mother.
Look, sir. Master Pants. All right, you know what?
You do.
Sorry, sir.
Pants! I see that.
Bye.
So you're going to marry me too?
Yeah!
So, I'm gonna have a show.
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know what to do. And Pants is when me go to mama. And mama say, how you do? I say, so what you care for Pants? And I tell her, I say, you say me care about bun for you. And she say, pumpkin? Bun are not good thing to give man, you know. But you see me care, come give you do.
start no minute there. This is blasted 100 cup.
And you make a feel?
I'm going to fly there.
Can't believe. I can't believe you have a pot you make on there I feel. Pants are too nasty, man.
Don't make the boy come out there.
What? Pants? And she give me bruises.
What do you want? What do you smell so?
Oh, Pants?
What do you smell so?
Oh, Pants?
Listen how you smell so funky.
Oh, Pants?
I can't believe the funky in the minute.
Pants? Pants? You see when me not come up in that van, he better crack up. Our woman did it there with her fish basket and she begged me all the pants and that's why me smell so fishy. Pants, you talk like some would have give you bun. Pants, wouldn't keep nobody with you. Pants, you see when me go down a yard, I may talk to the girl on my sidewalk and tell them say, you are the Dan. Pants, you're going like say, me not keep on with the pants. Pants, me love you, though. Pants. Pants, me not keep on with you, know. I may tell them say, you are the Dan with the key in my life. Pants, me love you, you know. Pants, me love you.
What is that?
You are the Dan.
My Dan.
With the key.
My Dan with the key.
Yes, Pants.
Shut. I'm not calling me Dan key now.
Pants, you mad?
Shut. So you tell them boys say me control you and...
Everybody me tell Pants, everybody.
So boy knows they're not supposed to trouble you?
Yeah.
Me are the Dan?
Yeah.
Trouble. So that to show them?
Yes, Pants.
Mm-hmm. Make sure that to show them too, you know.
Pants, man.
Sure, you hear me? Run my food. Sure. I'm not going to hear my say so long again. Saying,
Yes, Pants.
you have your way, you know.
Pumpkin.
You have about that?
I know what to
Get her out of fast, you understand me?
Yeah.
Mr. Get her out of fast.
Pants. It's probably if you see you better off.
Mr. Get her out of fast.
Pants, probably should see you better off. Pants.
This where that plastic girl there. You never hear me I call your child? Where the old fart him there? Where you shame me for? Him start treat you right?
Yes, Granny.
Well, anyway, me have something to ask you. Can me make sure go test me high that me can see things correctly nowadays. Anyway, you ever see a young man about the place where his body look healthy and strong?
No, Granny.
No, you never know nothing yet. Well, me have a man, and all of the young girls them a have a shark him down. Well, me have a solution for them, man. Cause me a go and them man a morning. And me have a long list. And although me and you talk so good, your name depend it. Me not telling a lie. Yes. So if you know something, tell me. Who there with him?
No, nothing.
You don't know. It's alright. It no fear for me down a yard a great out for me hand pan greater. Fear look off and carrot juice, him sour sap juice, and all of the good juice them to make young girl out a road a collect juice. Well, me go give a message for all of this kettle. Tell them to let him alone. Cause you see, anyhow me find out who, could you, his head and powder house inside with me and you. Say now, tell me.
No, nothing, Granny.
It's alright, you don't know. I will find out. Alright.
No, nothing about nobody and them, man.
Minister say not supposed to have her down here.
I don't make care down your pants. As she come here and ask about one man. She asked me to buy a piece of material fair and if any man can't sew it up.
Let me tell you something. Don't ramp with me. Me sewing down my food up here, I don't want a crowd down here. Alright?
Yes, fine.
Run the food. Matter of fact, give me some drinks fast. So. Water. I'm more slow, Punky. I'm more slow. Straw. Tell Punky. Don't look for me, then, Punky. Me don't want nobody look for me, then. Don't look for me. And I don't want nobody come here come talk about no man. Whether man be so, man or man, you're no man, right? There's several things that you talk about that I don't like. Okay? On the other day I talk about baby and all them things that I don't want to mention those things to me, Pumpkin. Because baby don't go up on tree.
My pants in the must could have given me one baby. I 2 years with them now, you know.
Pumpkin.
Yes, pants.
You know how much that box and nappy?
Okay.
You don't know? About $500 plus tax. You know how much for a tin of feed in the medium size? $714 plus tax. Right? You know how much for the soft land we take and wash the baby clothes? You don't know? 100 and mash plus tax. And if you ever ask me about no baby again, I give you 2 bags plus tax.
Somebody are not pants.
So what that have to do with me? Me I eat my food, what that have to do with me?
I'm going to know. Pants now, what is here?
Are you roll up me?
What's the landlady up there?
Oh,
Say you roll up me.
you up in. What? Must be potato. Wait.
Andy, this will give me our food, Andy. No trouble. Me will lick off your head, Andy. Me say no trouble food. Right? Just try. Somebody can improve my side of this place, sir.
Serve you right.
Miss Pumpkin, ain't your lips, you know? People will find his name.
So why you don't want to let money in food?
So,
And you want one slice of bread?
Hi! Give me Miss Pumpkin, eat that kid.
Hey. I'm kidding. I'm before pants come because that day you think you want somebody and you mean bread?
Yes, Miss Pumpkin.
You alright, Andy?
Miss Pumpkin, I said, my father know, ma'am. But me here when you must be pants on a quiet about baby.
So what have to do with you?
Well, me kind of know, ma'am. And it must be pants on one baby. Me here.
But Andy, you're not easy.
Wait, if you like nobody in there. Oh, must be pants when I go to West Street today. No, Westmoreland. And it look like Miss Pumpkin, she was afraid she can't know her mother. But if you got to lock the door,
In the there, in Ghana, West Street.
West Street.
Yeah. You have to come back to your man.
You sure it's West Street? What's it happening?
No, Westmoreland. In Ghana, Westmoreland. You don't know pants already, man. If I didn't dip him with a day up here.
So tell me something. What about the handicap one?
Oh, the handicap boy. It's like how pants Ghana, Westmoreland. Him now come up after now.
Oh, that sounds great, baby.
Dandal, so you could have danced, man.
Boy, you can't really dance, you know, dance. Anyway, let's not talk about dance now.
Oh, God, Jesus. Oh. Dandal.
Yes, Punky.
Oh, God.
You sure? You sure Pants not coming back?
It's not coming for no man. Pants gone to Westmoreland. Them gone for early this morning. Oh, the Lord. Jesus.
You're full of Punky.
Oh, God.
Yes.
Christmas come. It's a long, winding road.
What? What?
I said, it's a long, winding
Who is that?
road.
Pants.
Who? No, you're bad.
Speak it out.
Give up. People want come check the later, see? Yeah.
What?
Yeah, now when I was checking from
How the bed? Punky, don't make him find me.
No, come on, you come check me on. No, come check me on. Okay.
Yes, Pants.
One.
Yes, Pants.
I want to get it in. I want to get me straight here, Punks. Punks. Why these brothers?
Pants.
Get me straight.
Oh, you're not gonna Westmoreland. In Pants.
Where's who?
Oh, you're not gonna Westmoreland.
He's smaller. He's small. Now there's something funky.
Yeah, Pants.
Me down on West Street, I see.
Yeah.
Them boys say me is a good executive.
Yeah.
They must stop by me, kind of.
Yeah.
So you see the boss I'm supposed to go upon?
Yeah.
Go Westmoreland?
Yeah.
It brought down. I'm going to stop drinking liquor. Maybe I give it to you, see?
Pants.
That is your one. And look here, come. You come marry this one, no? You want to again?
Yeah, alright.
Oh God, huh?
Pants.
Okay.
Pants.
It's nice to be home.
Oh God.
See that again?
Pants.
Huh?
Go back out and work, go buy something for dinner, no?
Something for dinner.
Yeah.
Make the handicap by when him come, you see?
No! The handicap now could I remember say telling me yesterday say I go Westmoreland.
Puggy, I tell you.
Yeah?
If the handicap come by, forget about it, then, all right?
No, sir. Me there.
Are you?
Me there, sir. Me there.
You there? You there for the spot? Papa, here, man.
Yeah?
And it.
Eh?
I tell you, I send you go down 6B.
This me.
Right.
Eh?
I buy some dinner.
Dinner.
Tell her I pick you 3 pound rice.
And cheap on a chicken back. Usual.
You know yourself, you know, boy. You have good memory, tell. Buy a soda for yourself, too.
Alright. Hey, Mr. Who come back here?
Yeah, all right, man, no problem. You come back. Okay, boy. I tell you now. Pugging.
Yes, Pants.
The bed, tried it. If you have better spin pumpkin.
No, Pants, I call you drunk, not the bed.
What on the pumpkin? Make him move it, babe. Come.
No, Pants, the bed not spin, I call you drunk. Pants, just make your bed stay, no lie down. Pants, I call you drunk,
Live on
Pants,
bed,
make your
come
bed stay, no?
Live on bed,
Pants! Pants!
Pumpkin, Mr. Move
Pants, you stay, I call the bed. Jesus, my head a hurt me. My head a hurt me. Pants! Look how you take this one back with pill. Can you come for me here?
Back in with pill. Oh, you're outside. I wonder. Pumpkin, no, come to one pill. I don't know pregnant, she's pregnant. But you see she's pregnant. All I'm talking about is my baby. I don't know which one is it pill and I say on 14 back. This one is a pill. See here, Pumpkin? Is this what you want, Pumpkin? Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
It stop hurt me now.
You know you hear a song a while ago?
No, I must see heat on the zinc top.
Look at straight me hear a song, Pumpkin.
No, Pants, I call you drunk. I call you drunk.
Pumpkin, I'm not drunk.
Pants,
I must say dumpy.
Yeah, I must Pants let down.
Hey, Pumpkin. You say you want baby, right? I'll give the baby then. Come down here, lie down.
Yeah?
I'll give baby. I'll tell you something, Pumpkin. I can give you 3 baby, 1 time.
Yeah.
3 boy and 3 girl.
Yes, Pants.
Go down, Pumpkin.
Why they get rough, sir? Why?
How you so blasted fast, boy? What you...
But my big pants, you know, send me outside, you know, must expect me to come back. Hey, my big pants, me not get no rice, no chicken back, but me trust this one and drink it off, sir. But me I go down on the next sack, but say me get any.
All right, boy.
But before me go, me have something to tell
Me
you.
go to shop.
Pumpkin, leave the boy.
Leave the boy.
Leave the boy.
Leave the boy. My big pants, see, I'm gonna run me to a church, sir.
I go to shop and your pants if you go to
I
shop.
said leave the boy.
I said leave the boy.
Handicap. You see that man, you see? Him don't concern me on backside.
Right.
My big pants. Me see the man a run from up here, no, sir. And the man not have on no shirt.
Jesus.
I done all quarry. Alright, just one on it. Pumpkin, come, look over breakfast. Pumpkin, don't run. Well, we should have Pumpkin. So what on the show sleeping outside? He's gonna be here. Wait till she come down this morning. Wait till she come down. As she put her foot in, me put it out.
Aye,
Put
Pants.
it out.
Our Pants.
Me say put it out.
What?
Where you come from, Pumpkin?
Pants, give us me get a bread and go buy bread. No bread in the house, no. Where you go along so far?
Okay, you're cool. Run me breakfast. You're a lucky woman. Pumpkin,
Yeah?
run out of shirt.
What me done me what?
I notice that all of the shirt them dirty. Them either in a wash pan or them in a dirty bungle.
Pants, we can't chop.
Pumpkin not in argument. You see like someone out of shirt? You have to split.
Pants, what me done me
Okay.
wash her. Yeah?
I tell you all the while, no Pumpkin. I cannot wear one shirt 2 days go West Street. When I take a chance with a pants, I can't take with a shirt. Because down on West Street, Pumpkin, I am a big dog. Pumpkin, me tell you already, try remember. Down on West Street, I am the Chief Executive Office.
Yes, Pants.
Give me a shirt.
Pants, I'm not for what? So you don't want to breakfast again?
Yeah, run the breakfast and then give me a shirt.
Pants, you gotta wait till it's dry.
No, Pumpkin. Pumpkin,
Yeah?
give me a shirt. Hold on there. Pumpkin, come here.
Pants, not the milk, chop.
Take a walk, come here, Pumpkin.
Pants, not start out the clothes.
Pumpkin, Mr. Come
Yeah?
here.
I feel, Pants, I feel. Where am I gonna mama, Papa grow it out and mama tell me to catch home you?
Your father grow it out and mama say, Shaka, come give me. Now wait till the box.
Me I save it for your birthday.
You say for my birthday? All right, my birthday come.
Pants, let me rinse out, you know?
Go rinse out your mouth.
You know, to say sure not even much to jump on.
Pumpkin. You know when time two things match? Match a cup of tea and a slice of bread. Okay, little body. You still don't look for me. You hear me, Pumpkin? You saw me come out here? Hmm? As a matter of fact, me got scared. When me come out to them, I want my lunch and my breakfast on the table simultaneously.
That's fine.
Send me on the cake buy 3 pounds of pork.
Yes, fine.
And you know what? It's cabbage pork I want.
Yes, fine. I don't feel shot if it him though. Lord have mercy. Me tell you, see, boy, me there done all last night and he happy me the whole night. I forgot done all more after, you know. Because they only use pants him have to run up his mouth. Boy, me don't like it though.
Pumpkin, what me do? What me do?
How you call Pumpkin?
What me do?
What's that? How you stand as Pumpkin?
So the one with the big people? Why? Eh? So forget to see you with the man? On the bed?
And the mattress me not fix.
So me say I'm a trash man? Miss Pumpkin,
yes?
Look how me ask if you make me give one baby, and it look like you're going to make the man give you.
Andy,
Eh?
go to the shop, you see? And buy 3 pounds of pork for pants.
I run me, Miss
No,
Pumpkin.
man, me not run it there, you now come back. Give me, now come back.
Yeah.
Right, buy 3 pounds of pork for pants, you hear?
Yeah.
But make sure you get good kind of pork,
Yeah. May I go and come back quick?
Yeah.
Because I want to come back and kill the baby.
Jesus Christ. How am I going to do now? I might have poisoned me. No. But if Pants ever find out, I'm not going to run me back a country. I mean, I want to go back a country. Sure.
Pumpkin! Pumpkin! This is where that plastic girl is. Pumpkin! Button, nobody not there now. But kiss me, Mariah Carey. Cook on the house. That nasty girl can't keep a good house. And the worst thing about it is that the girl smells so sour.
You see her ready, Paula?
Oh, you tell me say she did that, boy.
But we leave her up here, ma'am.
Well, I don't see her at all. You come find her for me.
Watch it then. Miss Pumpkin? What she don't like the door? Miss Pumpkin can't do that. Because she knows I have to come in and out. Hold on.
Come, you try find her for me quick, you know. Because it's head and powder house inside her when I see her.
But Granny Paula, I'm going to try the bathroom in there, yeah?
All right, go on, my boy. Find it. Hurry up.
Yes. What?
Damn right out of order.
Why? Yeah, what? Boy, blow. Damn. All right, Granny, let me reach in.
Let me come open the door
Reach in.
for me.
See ya, yeah? You see ya,
Andy, go to the door, you see? And tell Granny Fowler, say me not there.
Tell her say you're not there.
Yeah, tell her, say me not there.
Granny Paula, she said, tell us that she's not there.
So she there. Hi. You don't have a man for yourself. What you doing with me, man?
I want your man, not to me have my man.
No, that's fine. Power, be quiet.
Turn up there and talk. I turn over here and smell your mouth.
Who do from out to smell? I want to see rotten teeth them in the area talk.
And me a talk.
Of course I you may talk, you see my teeth rotten.
So you bad. Turn up over there and chat to me, son.
Me nah move.
You now move. All right. Since you now move, turn up there. Cause your body.
Granny, father. See nothing. Sure. Granny, me not nothing with you, you know.
You ain't had nothing with me.
So Andy, talk to Granny now. Hey, me not, Granny father. Come on, come here. Granny, me not, Granny, leave me take up.
You're not me, man. You're not me, man. Bitch, you will never live to take me, man, again. You think me and a wife and me to link up?
Yes. Push her off for me, and then she will me then squeeze it.
Oh, God. All right, never mind.
And then
Never mind, never. Pumpkin.
Wait over there, so she will back me neck and she squeeze it.
All right. Never mind, baby. I'll take care of everything. Let me tell you something. You see my granny? It's long time she want to run my life.
No, your granny.
Pumpkin, you know I wouldn't lie to you. Just listen to me now. You know, it's all because of Colleen.
Colleen?
Don't tell you about my girlfriend, Colleen. But my granny loves Colleen. She will do anything for Colleen. You know what? I won't make she come up here and hurt you again. Alright? And again put a stop to this. Yes, again take care of baby.
Then are they going to marry to me?
Of course. Of course, baby. We'll talk about that. Alright?
So Dana,
Yes.
I don't understand now if you're going to marry to me. What about the triplets where you say she have for you?
Pumpkin, I don't like to talk about it, you know.
What make?
Let me tell you something. Pumpkin,
Yeah.
you know it's only one of the triplet is mine?
So for the other two.
Just forget that. The doctor say he'll raffle it or something like that. But just forget it. You see, my concern is you, baby. And I don't want my granny hurt you again. Oh, come here. Oh, God. You believe me, sweetie? Yes. You know what? It's really a long time. That's a surprise. Yes.
Yeah.
Is that check for you, baby? Manager's check, darling.
Dana, we can't manage this.
Yes. You'll manage anything, sweetie.
Oh, God. Dana, you give me check?
Of course,
You
baby.
check, baby.
Yes. Hug me, baby. Yeah.
Oh, God, Dana. Pants never give me no check, you know?
Don't think about pants now.
Wait, I wish brings that. How that?
With me?
How that? The one who wish brings that?
Andy,
Hey, what?
Andy, leave pants friend alone. It's pants friend.
How are you, sir?
A pants friend.
Pants friend?
Oh, yes. She's so right now.
My big pants friend?
Of
Yeah,
course.
pants friend.
You mean Bonnie Pie friend?
Yes.
So you don't know me, sir?
No.
I am the... You don't know me?
Yeah, no.
I am the handicap around town.
Yes.
But like your walks, man.
Which Walkman?
Your shoes.
Oh. You know what? I will send out a Walkman for you.
No, give me that one here. Take that one.
No, man.
Leave him alone, Andy.
This Walkman is too small.
What?
It's 6 and 7/8.
Well, me we are 8, 9, and 10, sir.
Andy, leave him alone now.
Move on for me, buddy. Oh, dear. Go watch it, man. That's my one attack. Yeah. Hi. She doesn't wear that.
Yes.
What on there?
What?
You see your face somewhere.
No, young man. Don't talk foolish.
Yeah, man.
My face?
Somewhere low.
No.
Aye. You see me? You see me? You see me already?
No. Not my face.
Can you give me some money now, sir?
Which money?
You see you can't check.
But you know, so you can't see?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Hey. I remember the shoes, you know.
Andy, go down the road, you see? And buy about 4 pounds of pork.
So you're a man, big man's friend? Only buy?
Oh, you got that right.
All right.
Buy 4 pounds of pork for pants, yeah?
4 pounds of pork?
Yeah.
All right. I'm never tell my big man's friend I wait for
No!
A pants, send him up here.
You're right.
A pants, send
You
him
don't
up
get
here.
this pants.
A pants, no, send up here already.
That's right.
So they could have rush me, so, eh?
A pants, no, send up here already.
That means I'm not for a rush, mister.
All right.
Why? Well, you look like, I know it. No, you.
No.
All right. Let me see you.
Pumpkin. Don't do that. Don't do those things, Pumpkin.
No.
Oh, you allow people to just walk in and out of your house, sir.
I don't really would understand, you know. And my fault, you know. It's not for my fault. You see, pants came in there when he want, and pants send him out, and pants will check for me, and 2 pants them from country.
All right. Oh. All right, don't cry, baby. Don't cry. All right, let's not spoil the moment, baby. Come here. Yes. All right. Yes. Let's finish the day right, baby. Come. Sit down. Yes. All right. Rest yourself, baby. Yes. Nice. And get comfortable.
Take off my shoes.
That's all I want. Baby, that's all I want.
Jesus Christ.
We don't want to talk about it. You know, let out my tool, man. You know that.
Pumpkin.
Nana.
Don't make him sing.
Nana.
Pumpkin, I'm not here.
Yeah? Nana, you're not here, yeah?
Right, so don't call me, I'm not here.
No, you're not here. Nana, you're not here, yeah? Nana, no make no noise, no make no noise. Nana, no make no noise, yeah?
Pumpkin, if I'm not here, how much make nice?
Nana?
Bring back the thing now. I don't want to look for it. Say, look how big fun. Everything off. Yeah, me know. Now eat some food because I'm going to let pumpkin up your cup. Yes, me know. Yeah. The belly full but me hungry. A pot of boil but the food not enough. Forget your problems and come. Yeah. Forget your problems and come.
Pumpkin,
Oh, yeah?
I train for the Olympics. Huh?
No, pants are the poor, are they fed?
You see I walk up and down, I go back and forth like naughty goat, like your food and everything. I mean, the food ready, not sure. Tell you what, share the food up on the table.
Pop.
Yo, pop, if I look you pop. Mr. Share the food, pumpkin, share the food.
Pants are the pot, are they fire, are they stove, are they pants are the...
But tell something, man.
Pants, Jesus. Pants now,
Pumpkin.
yeah?
Can you hear me, man?
Yeah?
Let me tell you something. Don't run with me.
Pants are the...
It's the same thing to run. You swear that my man take up a woman like, you know, we don't want to deal with the responsibility.
Pants are the pork, are the pork.
Pop.
Are the pants,
The listen. Mr. Listen to me. Mr. When time a man take up a woman like you know, we cannot deal with manly responsibility. We don't put the man in a problem. Because the same thing that come from down the road a while ago, I see my Caleb and my ball. I say Caleb, warm to the man ball. You know see it? The man says him step out time out from all the time, so the man was in with man. Let me tell you something. The man they're idiot. That backside could never happen to me. You don't know that? Eh? The man pushed the trouble to rocks and favor the trouble. I walk something to carry the woman yard. To let them eat something and drink something and wear something. And let them walk out of the house so. The man carrying man. Man, you're an idiot. But let me tell you something. You see, even if you have a dream, say you are give me bun. No way.
Go back out the road, go see if you see Andy with the pork now.
Mr. Andy go buy pork? Huh? Mr. Andy go buy pork? Mr. Andy go buy pork?
No problem.
Huh?
No problem. Mr. Andy go buy 4 pounds of pork and him not come.
Make sure so that by the time you wake up pumpkin, I eat my food. Me vex rather than not meat up to you know. It's only about what keep on to kill him. Me vex is like poor. Come on, keep rolling up. You see what I'll be coming to my house? I'm picking some pumpkin. A man can't be in my house and come in there and a man come in there and don't know nothing about it. Eh? Where's the other man like that?
Idiot man pants.
The other man house say boy come in and sit up. No, whoop, put out that head. Vex make us more and cry a lot of me talking to.
Pants.
You want?
I can't get the done cookie dinner come in and get the pork. Go back out, go see if you see and do the pork now.
I say me can't say I want to call him blow up because I'm not going down to go there. Ducky po! Ducky! Jenny! Jenny!
Yeah? Jump.
You ever sit down and jump up the road and run?
All right. Yeah, jump.
You sure?
Yeah, jump over the back fence. Yeah? All right. Yes, ma'am. Hard on, yeah? Yeah. All right. Yes, all right.
Last time, me? When time? Here, probably when time you come, last time, don't step and poke on him. Pumpkin.
Yeah?
Next time, let me tell us they must cook the food. You see, by the time reach out a gate, the set must have robbed me.
Yeah.
Vex, no blow out, kill the wife. I don't that upon my mind for morning, you know.
Man, big man, you never out.
Look for the sell go buy the pork, boy. Or come here, sir, come back.
I'm not making the hug, sir.
Enough work, Andy?
Cook the pork. When the pork cook, you will find out. Why? So man, big man, you chill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pumpkin, hear me?
Yeah.
Now go down the road, see? I said, now come back to Pumpkin, I'll come back in about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Now must have the pork. You understand me?
All right, fine.
Me pay the pork, Pumpkin. I'm not skin kid.
Yes.
Andy.
What's that your one?
A man promised to leave shoes on you for me.
A man promised to leave shoes on you?
Yeah.
Which man?
Your friend.
My friend?
Yeah, your bona fide friend.
My bona fide friend?
Yeah.
Me no bona fide friend.
Oh. All right. My big pants. Me don't know where you go, sir. All right. Mama, big pants. All right. Me tell you, sir. Me spunky. Me can't take no more. Me not forget that. My big pants. You see one day, sir. Me up here. Me sorry for you. My big pants.
One day me up here, sir. Me and Miss Punky coming here. And, boy, Miss Punky and our man coming here. And then go for your bed, sir. How will I do something? Go for my bed, I do something? No, Miss Punkin, sir. Punkin? He said, see her there? When me carry for country? See her there? Huh? Yeah. I drove down there. Yes, Martin, pass. Punkin.
A lime of them! Andy, let me go. Pants, the lime of them! Oh, God! Pants, oh, God!
Hold on, Andy. Hold on, Andy. Let me go. Kill up. Mama, Andy, pass. Catch her. Mama, Andy, pass. Catch her, sir. The blows. What you make to get her for? Mister, what you make to get her for? Master Pan, me never hold her, sir. Andy, you make the test of something like this going in a 10-minute mountain. Master Pan, and nothing going in, sir. Yeah, Master Pan. Mr. Master Pan, me don't need the bed, sir. And me say the man that works, so they nearly tear down the bed for me, sir. Yes, Master Pan. And he come and he take off his shirt. Bert, you didn't have his shirt, this? What? He take off his shirt and hang out there, sir. Mama, speak fast. Dash it, Mama, dash it. Mama, speak fast. Alright, Mama. Alright, and I need the bed right and there. Yes, 50 minutes there, sir. Pakistan. Just move from here, someone. I said move from here, someone. Papa. Yeah. Yes, boss. We are ready, my boss. Let him, sir. Boss. And we are going to blast it. Jesus.
Where you running to? Eh?
No, we're calling.
So it's up here, you're there. Eh?
Calling, I can explain.
Explain what? It's who rule you.
You calling.
Eh? It's who wash your clothes when it's dirty.
You calling.
Who feed you when you're hungry.
You calling.
Eh? Who for money you are spent?
Calling
eh?
yours.
Who for money you are spent? And I just calling. Eh?
What?
Bet you don't use it.
Calling, don't do that.
Bet you don't use it.
Jesus Christ, calling.